Hey guys, welcome back. We are at the Kilgore College campus in Kilgore, Texas, and we're here at the East Texas Oil Museum. This museum has been around for a long time. I'll get some more information and let you know exactly how long it's been here. It's been here for a good long while. I've been a couple of times, but I've never filmed it. So we're gonna go inside, see what they've got. If you're curious, come with us. Look at the door handles. So cool. Here's the hours, by the way, past his arm. In case you guys want to come, and there's the price. Let's go in.
All right.
Oh, they still got their Christmas tree up.
Christmas trees up. Hello.
When the U.S. entered World War II, petroleum was destined to lay a minefield. At government request, a 1,400-mile pipeline.
So this is when you first walk in. They tell you there's about an 8-minute movie over here that you can watch to get like a little introduction. But these are all of the modern day household products that use petroleum. So that's just some of the stuff.
That's interesting. You got Gain dishwashing soap.
Yep.
So you got grease to wipe off grease.
Welcome to the East Texas Oil Museum on the campus of Kilgore College. Before you start your tour, I'd like to share a little information with you. The East Texas Oil Museum opened on the occasion of the 50th anniversary of the Daisy Bradford No. 3 discovery, October 3rd, 1980.
So we were just looking at some of these, looks like drill bits or whatever. We'll see some more of these actually inside the museum, but we just finished the video. It's like 8 minutes long. But I think this is a fairly new thing. I haven't done the audio tour before, but if you are into that and want to do that, you can scan the code and follow along on an audio tour. Alright, we're entering into the museum now. I used to love like driving by here and you could see like these big murals right here in these big windows. When it's lit up at night, it looks really cool. So here's a little setup of a look inside of a home in the 1930s. Got the living area over here. I love this clock. You've got the kitchen set up, and she's over here cooking something on this old stove. Got some biscuits in there. It's a wood burning stove. You can see that. It's really cool, but what's she cooking? Beans? Not sure. But yeah, it's kind of neat to look back. See how things used to be. I mean, the 1930s was a long time ago, guys. But I love those plates. Got an old telephone booth back here. Don't see those anymore.
A drill bit is mounted on the end of the drill pipe.
Door even works.
A mixture of water and additives called mud is pumped into the
Deposit 25 cents in coins.
The mud also takes on the walls of the wellbore.
Nothing. This is talking about what? Horizontal shale drilling?
Surface casing is inserted into the drilled hole to isolate the fresh water zone and also serves as a foundation for the blowout preventer. A safety device that connects the rig to the wellbore.
Sound good. A blowout preventer.
Yeah.
Check this hot rod out. It's got the Sinclair gasoline pump right there. Neat old car. It's got some old pictures here. Oh, look, this one is Henderson, Texas. Not very far from here at all, just before the oil boom. It says that's going to Kilgore, Texas. Look at this. All the old cars. Man on a horse here. Drink Dr. Pepper. Yes. Yeah, there's a wagon. Bunch of mules there. This is at Jody Hughes Teaming Camp, says Kilgore, Texas. It's really cool. Look at the picture of this train. Neat old photos that if, you know, you didn't see them like this, you probably wouldn't believe that these towns were ever like this or looked like this. That's a neat picture of the train. That's in 1931, this one, and this truck is bogged down in some pretty major mud right there. And the museum has their own way of they have reinvented that scene inside. You'll see what I'm talking about. It's one of my favorite things about this museum. But I think even the light, does it change up here?
2,000 years later.
Nope. I just wanted to point this out because it's just really pretty. I mean, they make a note of churches being very significant during the boom era and stuff like that, so they have some different things here, but this really pretty stained glass right here was actually given in memory of those that died. Here's a little card. In the New London School explosion, March 18th, 1937. So that's a whole other thing, kind of separate from this museum. But if you want to know about that, it's a really tragic thing, and you can Google that and get some more information on it. But I just thought that this was worth noting. It's really pretty, and it's a really neat tribute here at the museum. We're about to walk into the next section of the museum, and this is kind of a preface right here. This big picture of these gentlemen up here, it says, on October 3rd, 1930, Dad Joyner and the crew of the Daisy Bradford No. 3 discovered the greatest oil field in the world. Relive that discovery. Alright, let's go. This is one of my favorite parts of this museum.
Yeah.
So fun.
Greetings, folks.
Oh, here we go.
Welcome to Boomtown. The name's Buddy, and I'm going to tell you about how electricity is coming to town. It's a change in life. Like, say, for old Tom at the grist mill. He'll be able to grind more corn than ever before. And he's sure bragging about it to John, the blacksmith.
Got a little welcome there. But look at this, just an overview. They've got a general store, a little museum there. They've got a theater at the back, a drugstore, feed store. So this is just a look back again into the 1930s. Old Boomtown. So let's oh.
Hollywood's newest picture shows are coming to Boomtown. That's
All
right.
right.
Thanks to the electric lines I'm running. By the way, I'm Buddy. And here's a hint. Before you go to the show, be sure to get in a little shopping at our downtown stores.
Okay.
They're soon going to light up the night.
Gonna take a peek into some of these stores. He is very chatty. All right, buddy, we got you. Oil Well Supply, Kilgore. So that's got some little supplies in here. Tools. And then what do we got next door? Oh, this is just an example. Looks like a bunch of wrenches. rotary drilling equipment. Look at that thing. And I think we're gonna automatically shift over here to general supply because it looks like we've got a bunch of fruit down here and just some home goods and a wedding dress. You can buy a wedding dress if you need to, I guess. Let's go in.
General store was a general store.
Yep. General store has a bunch of general things in it. Bunch of stuff. Anything you need. If you need some spectacles, a tiny razor for your underarms.
That's funny. Look.
You got some blingy stuff down here. That was a purse. And some lipstick, I want to say. Oh, here you go. You got a corset down here. But yeah, there's tons of stuff on the shelves. Up on top of the shelves, you got hat boxes up there. Shoes down there. Oh, that's a candy box. How cool is
That's
that?
pretty. Very elegant for a candy box.
Some old cameras. Look at this. We've got your June beans, pears, lard. Wait. Oh, we've got a gentleman over here by the cash register. Looks like he's been working hard back here. He's got his pipe. While you're in here shopping, he steadily is like talking to customers that are coming in the store. Got some cast iron skillets back here. Yep. Oh, here we got your firearms over here. Rifles.
Looking outside, I see that you're more than just selling around.
And some really nifty looking irons. And some really creepy dolls.
I'm headed back to the courthouse. I see I'm going to be real busy over the next few months considering all this.
Bet me that these ain't haunted.
Take care.
Just have to point out these mouth harps here. Right by the harmonicas. So from the general store, we're gonna head this way. But I just want to kind of look over here for a little bit because this scene is my fave. Look at the mud. They even show how deep the mud was in the roadways. The big ruts in it. It looks pretty legit. It looks almost real. You can see this vehicle's having a hard time. This is actually a wagon having a hard time going through all the mud.
He's
But
not getting
it's,
in.
yeah, but it's loaded down with all kinds of stuff. As we head this way, you can see the mules right here that are pulling the wagon.
Down here for the oil.
And they're completely dirty. Look at their legs. They've got mud all over their legs. He's got mud in his tail.
I think they're all stuck.
It's just the little details that they worked on to make it look like realistic. It's really cool. But as we go around, I'll kind of show you more of this center display, this centerpiece. Let's see, we are going to ride the elevator, and I'll show you what I mean by that. But when you come into the museum, you need to do this. But they've got some neat displays in here as well. This shows Let's see. Woodbine sand. The oil is here. This shows how far down the oil they have to drill to get the oil, basically. It's pretty cool. But yeah, this is the elevator ride to the center of the earth. Gotta do it. Alright, guys.
When you finish, just open up.
Okay.
It'll open by itself.
Okay, thank you.
Or at least it'll open. Unlock.
We are going to ride to the center of the earth. Y'all, this has been, I don't know if this particular thing has been here since the museum opened in 1980, but it kind of looks like it has. This is my favorite thing. So if you come to the museum, you need to do this. You need to ride the elevator. It's really cute, and it's fun, and it's educational.
It is.
The doors are secure. We're ready
We
to
can't
begin.
get out now.
Don't be startled if you get a jolt during descent. Everyone
Great.
must remain seated until the ride ends. Thank you, and enjoy your ride.
Here we go.
I can't wait to see the oil.
Well, there's some oil down there. We'll be showing you just in a minute. We're waiting for some. Oh, here we are right now. Just a second. Hello. Here in beautiful East Texas, there are lots of interesting things to do and see on top of the ground.
Shucks, anybody can see that.
So we're going to show you something you won't see anywhere else.
I'm Hank.
And I'm Professor Rockbottom. And we're going to take you down on a most unusual elevator ride. So take a seat and relax. We're going to show you what's underground in
See, we're
the
going
East
down.
Texas oil field.
Wait.
See the rock.
Whoa.
Whoa! We didn't do that the last time. We just got a
below the
joke.
grass is Queen City sand.
You can grow watermelons in it or get your car stuck in it.
But in other parts of Texas, it's deep underground and sometimes has oil in it.
That's your first lesson in petroleum geology.
Like I said, here Queen City sand is on the surface and dry.
Except when it rains.
And in Corsicana, it's down deep and may be saturated with oil.
Watch the depth gauge. We're going down. Whoa.
Go.
Whoa, steady as she goes.
Stop.
Hey, this looks like coal.
Yeah, well, you're close. It's lignite, a form of coal.
They're mining that stuff not far from here.
Yeah. But oil's not the only black gold in East Texas.
Let's keep moving. I want to see some oil.
Going
Me
down.
too.
But let's go slower. I need time to think.
First, we'll be traveling through the rest of the Wilcox. It's thick.
I know.
And then through hundreds of feet of shale and chalk. Shale is like fine-grained clay that is turned to
We're
rock.
really going down there now.
Liquefied, we say.
Shale is so
Tight.
Can we move on? I'm still looking for oil.
So are a lot of
Where's the oil?
Next.
Our next stop is
Still
one of
got
the
a ways
most
to go.
important and very interesting. You're seeing Boston chalk 3,600 feet underground.
Wow. Is that it? I expected it to flow, ooze, or do something.
When we talk about a pool of oil, people sometimes think of a swimming pool.
You mean it's not the same down here? All this oil is here in reservoir rock like this woodbine sandstone?
Yes. Earth, it's hot.
looks
and
like
the oil is held in the rock under a
shocked.
pressure of about 1,000 pounds per
limestone.
square inch. Still, the oil is lighter and will float or migrate to the top of the body of water.
That noise.
Oh,
they're
what is
at
that
it again.
noise?
Look now.
Oh, look!
You better get out of here. Come on.
They're drilling. We gotta go.
Come on. Step on it. Hey, step on it.
Going up.
Whoa, good crazy teenage driver.
Oh, whoa!
We're really moving now.
Main floor, planet Earth. Y'all come back.
You hear?
Everyone, please watch your step while
More mules over here. Look at his face. Look at his mule face. Yeah, this guy over here looks like he's trying to get him out of all this mud. They're working hard. Yeah, he's feeding that one an apple, looks like. He's like, it's okay, Betsy. We're gonna make it out of this. really neat. And you can catch the little flashes up here every now and then, but it's like a storm. The ceiling almost looks like it's cloudy. And then you've got noises sounding like thunder, and then you've got lightning kind of flashing over there in the corner. So there it goes. I'm telling you, it's really cool. They did a good job in trying to make it realistic. This big old truck right here, Tyler Trucking, first in the oil patch. This guy leaning over the truck. Here's the Wright City Machine Shop over here. Got a windmill. Let's see what all's in here. Got a little chicken over there. Oh, he's working in here. We got a bunch of stuff. There's no telling how many pieces of equipment are in this display. There's just something everywhere covering all the nooks and crannies. Yeah, wow. Oh, and you can also see there's some coal burning or something over there.
Yeah, that's your furnace.
Yeah, the furnace. Little chicken over here on the tractor. We got a little chicken, but look, there's a little chick on the wheel. On the wheel. Look at him. Go ahead, hand pump some water. So hand pump some water.
Let's see if this works.
Yeah.
Going back in time.
Yeah, pump it more. Pump. Oh, there it goes. Yay! We can get a drink now. That's neat. I don't know if they just covered it in lights for the Christmas season or whatever, but I like it. They should leave it on there. Yeah, it's all around town here. Look at this tree. I think the tree is pretty well dead, but I like it. It adds character. Let's go down here and see what else we can see. Into the back of this truck.
We can get Dr. Peppers for 5 cents. Is that what it's
Yeah, I wish. Okay. Got some more info here. The Fiery Ghost. That does not look at that. Okay, so it looks like a face in that picture. I'm guessing that's when one of the whales exploded or something.
I think so.
And so you've got the explosion, the smoke or whatever, and then there's the face. Here's another oil well fire that they took a picture of, and look at the faces on that one, especially this one on the side. Ain't that creepy? You see the face? I don't think she's gonna make it out of the mud in that car.
No.
Well, the tire's pretty well bogged down.
She might as well camp out.
Yeah, I think she
Spending
just give up.
a good day or two.
Oh, she's getting gas is what it is. See, she's got the, look at the,
Oh yeah.
it goes right there in the hood. Connected to this Sinclair gasoline tank right here. How much was gas?
18 cents.
18 cents. Wow. Yep. I think she's gonna be able to get out after she gets her gas. Walking in here, this looks like a bunch of bits and equipment. Got these gigantic hooks here. These smiling people.
Must have had to color code everything.
I don't know. I think a lot of these have probably been repainted. They probably rusted out. But
Honestly, I know where it goes to what.
yeah. Yeah, a bunch of it. Look how big this sucker is. Look at that. Can you imagine how heavy that is?
Sell 100 pounds of it. It's got
Yeah.
these little ones. They're all shapes and sizes.
Yeah, this is, and they give you kind of a brief overview, I think, of the different oil well sites. Like this one's the J.K. Lathrop #1. Oh, look at this. It says pull the handle and we can drill with this rock bit. All right. Ooh. That wasn't an easy task to gotta slowly moving around. These guys over here are working hard. They're roughnecks. And they are looking quite intense. He's making sure they've got this under control. Look at this guy. He's serious. He's serious about his job. And he probably should be, because this looks really dangerous. Look out this way. All these tools. Oh, this actually tells you what each thing is. That's a pumping unit wrench. Look how big that is. We got the lay tongs. These are red things right here. Look at the bottom of that thing. A sucker rod elevator right here. A wireline spear. It's got the little hooks on it. Yeah. Alright, where are we headed to next? We're gonna go to the bank. It is the Guarantee State Bank here. Let's go inside. Oh, it's got a vault. Oh. Okay.
Yes, sir. The economy is really perking around these parts. Two large banks announced that deposits for the first 6 months of 1931 were $5 million ahead of the same period last year. Future of East Texas is real bright. If you have any extra money, invest in East Texas real estate. If you got a lot, build on it. Or sell to someone who will.
He's still talking in there. Let's see. We've got the Crossroads Barbershop right here. Look at these guys. This guy's over here sleeping. Oh, you can see his chest rising. Well, they all do. They're all literally breathing in here. That's not creepy at all. But the guy in the chair, you can see he's breathing there. He's got a happy look on his face. He's about to get a shave. Shave and a haircut. But look at his face. That's pure bliss right there. Or terror, I don't know. Check out his shoes. Those are fancy.
Yeah.
I like his shoes. Yeah, got the barbershop.
That old Jim Carrey.
That does not look like Jim Carrey.
I think it is. You don't think?
Let's see. I don't think I saw this display on the way because we kind of went around. But there's old air pump. Some gasoline signs. Oh. Now we can play checkers if you want to. A checker table out here. But yeah, these displays are awesome. They're like just chock full of stuff. I mean, there's just, we haven't even made our way around. We're at the back side of the boomtown back here. There's just a lot to see. There's a post office. We'll walk inside there and kind of show you. Old-timey post office.
You look like you're in a hurry. Anxious to get some of that oil? Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're anxious to get some of that oil.
I guess something will have a lot of money in the next few weeks. It'll change some people. Others will
These have these combinations to open your.
Remember when they had all these purple LEDs? Which reminds me of a story.
Oh yeah, cool.
Seems a tornado was coming up and this farmer
Nice.
comes on.
Gonna walk by the theater. They have a show, a movie that plays on the hour, every hour. Well, the last one's at 4 o'clock. They close at 5. So we're gonna check out some stuff past it and then come back because it's a little too early to go in. So we'll do that too, and she'll give you a ticket when we go in. I just wanted to check out this side of things. Oh, who's this?
Somebody's sleeping on the job.
Ain't had much sleep lately. Me and all the other carpenters around here been working 18, 24 hours a day, just trying to give folks a place to get in out of the rain. In most every town hereabouts, every roof or tree gives some kind of shelter to a stack of goods or a bunch of boomers. So, if you'll excuse me, I need to get some rest.
Alright, good night. Have a good rest. Get the other side of this mess here. Big old tires just covered in mud. What do we got here? I think this is going to be the printing press, the Gusher Gazette, it says. So, look at this. It gives you some old newspapers here. This is July 19th, 1931. Wow. And they circle the stuff about the oil. Look at these machines. Crazy. Yeah. And this guy right here, he's just chilling. He's talking on it. Well, thought he was talking on the phone, but gonna walk on down here. Go to the drugstore. All these portraits, these old cameras. How big and cumbersome they look. It's really neat. Let's go to the drugstore here. I love this. Look at the floors. Nice. It's like a little soda shop, soda bar here. This guy, he's ready to take your order or ready to get your prescription for you. Let's see what they have down here. Acid. A tonic. You got laxative in here. Magic Aid, whatever that is. Potassium. Wow, Barbitol. Prophylactic. Yeah. Looks legit, huh? Got an old-timey record player too. How cool is that? The Wurlitzer.
Would you guys like to see the movie 10 minutes? And so often, he would say, get a drink, please. He had to know how much to do to make the bad taste go away. So, and I'm a soda jerk. I want a hat. They want to give me a hat. I'm a soda jerk. If you want to have a good time, okay, you could go to Laird Hill, which was the red light district. It's a little town around here. I think they maybe have got a Dollar General, maybe? Maybe. Well, I know they got a post office, okay? Anyways, Laird Hill was the red light district. You get all the ladies of the night you wanted, all the gambling you wanted, all the alcohol you wanted. So you could go up there, a little dangerous. Or you could come here, or you go to Miss Maddie's. Miss Maddie was from a little up north. And Miss Maddie, what she did is, she bought a warehouse.
Maddie's Ballroom.
And she put silver on it, made it pretty, so the lamp would look gorgeous. And she brought in ladies, dressed up like New York, taxi ladies. And for 10 cents, the guy could dance with her.
I just wanted to come back to this guy here. I just heard from the lady that was explaining the soda that this guy's the C in CVS Pharmacy as we know it. His name's Mr. Crane. That's his drugstore right there in Longview. Or was his drugstore. We're gonna go back over here to the theater. We're gonna see a little movie about the oil business. About the oil boom here in Kilgore, I think is what it is. But look at the old movie posters in here. It's Bela Lugosi. Look at this thing. Isn't that awesome? Wow. Okay, let's go into the theater here. Look how cool this is. There's something cool that happens during the movie. It's not just a movie on the screen, but it's something cool, and I'll try to show you that, but I just wanted to show you the theater. Look at the dinosaurs over here. It's got a little history on the walls. Let's find a seat.
1931, the world's largest oil field was Kilgore in East Texas, and the rest is just history. You're sitting right on top of the very oil field that created the great East Texas oil boom. Underneath this theater is layer upon layer of earth and rock. Those early oil explorers had to go down through shale and clay, some sandstone, some chalk, and a lot more shale and a couple of layers of limestone, then more sandstone and siltstone, and then a lot more chalk, a little more limestone, a little bit more siltstone, and that's where they finally found it. The woodbine sand that contained the oil.
But they struck oil, my friend.
Massage. Alright, we just got out of the theater. We're gonna head back to the front now. I think we're about done with our tour. But if you walk by this car in particular, you can hear I think it's the engine running in it. They're trying to get it going again.
Sounds too good.
Yeah, doesn't sound good at all. Yeah, we're headed back. Oh look! We got some more chickens.
Miniatures.
Yeah, they're trying to get in the pig feed. It says pig balancer. Is that what that is? Cute little chickens. Yeah. Yeah, this is the feed store right here. And the grist mill is what this is. So, anyway, I'm gonna head out of here. I'll take one last look. Bye, buddy.
Bye, Hank.
His name's Buddy.
He looks like Hank.
It's not a Hank. Have you not listened to him the 4 times he's told us his name?
He looks like...
We made it out of the museum. We're gonna check this last thing over here. There's a truck that's over here, but I can't remember exactly what the story is on it. It's an ice truck. But here's the little plaque. 1929 Mack ice truck. This vehicle came off the Mack's Allentown production line on March 13th, 1929. Similar vehicles transported ice daily during the oil boom. I think we can get a better view on this side because of the sun. Big old ice truck. Let's peek inside there. Not much going on in there. Y'all, we're gonna see if we can find the world's richest acre here in Kilgore and show you what that looks like. So y'all, this is the world's richest acre. They still got Happy New Year up there, I see. And during Christmas, they usually put lights on these. I see there's still stars at the top.
Happy New Year.
I can't remember if they light them all throughout the year. But during Christmas, they're really pretty. But this is the little park area. It's right off of Commerce Street, Kilgore. So there's plaques all the way around. They're dedication plaques. And kind of a nice place to come out. And there's a few tables you can see over there. And there's some derricks across the street too that you could look at. It's kind of a peaceful place. Here's a little pump over here in the corner. See if it says anything. Dedicated to Sam Roost. Derrick restored on original well site. Okay. Permit 1940, completed in 1940. Flowing 27 barrels of oil per hour. It was plugged in 1966. Nice. Now this is the historical information here with some pictures. Drilling completed in 1940. Derrick's topped 1,100 producing wells within Kilgore city limits. The photo shows 24 that stood in the world's richest acre, the greatest concentration of drilled wells in the world.
How about that?
Isn't that neat? This talks about the removal. And then you've got during drilling here. Photo shows all buildings except Kilgore National Bank. Torn down to make way for the derricks. And that was before drilling even began. So.
One of the original buildings.
Oh, this is one of the original buildings here. Looks like there's a couple of different shops in there now. But lots of history here. And a good reason, one of the main reasons why they have the East Texas Oil Museum here, obviously. But I want to see these little derricks over here at in the corner. There's a bunch of little ones. They even have a pet waste box where you can get some garbage bags if you have your pets out here. But yeah, look at these. These are cute. They've got the lights on the top of them. Let's see. I think we've got a historical plaque here. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. State Historical Survey Committee, world's richest acre. Discovered in 1930. It's only a 1.195 acre tract. It's pretty neat.
It's pretty
Happy New Year! Thank you guys so much for watching again. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Please keep doing that so this channel can grow and we can travel to different places. I like to do a lot of different things, go to a lot of different places. This is one place I've been to several times, but I had never shared it. So, thank you for watching. Now, what was your favorite part about the museum?
I did like the theater and the elevator. I liked all the little shops in there that you can see that are from the time period, and all the little, like, just the attention to detail and everything there. It was really neat.
My favorite part, absolute favorite part, is the elevator. The puppets. I mean, it's an old school thing, and I just like old, quirky, fun stuff like that. So that's my favorite part, and you have to do that if you go to the museum. This is a great museum. They've improved over the years, so I highly recommend it. So when you come to Kilgore, check out the East Texas Oil Museum. And other than that, we're gonna go get something to eat. So make sure you come back next time, see where we wander to then, and we'll see you then. Bye.
Have a